Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 1. يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها. O mankind, fear your Lord who has created you from one soul and has created from it its mate. The spiritual nature of both man and woman in Islam is the same. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Shura, chapter number 42, verse number 11. فاطر السماوات والأرض جعل لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا. Creator of the heavens and the earth, who created from among yourself mates. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Hijr, chapter number 15, verse number 29. فَإِذَا سَوَّيْتُهُ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي فَقَعُوا لَهُ سَاجِدِينَ. And then he proportioned him and breathed into him of a soul. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Sajda, chapter number 32, verse number 9. ثُمَّ سَوَّاهُ وَنَفَخَ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي. Then he proportioned him and breathed into him of a soul. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He has breathed into him of a soul, it does not mean some form of incarnation or pantheistic form. It means that Allah has put His knowledge into each and every human being, male and female. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 70. وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ. And we have honored the children of Adam. All the children of Adam have been honored by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, male and female.